Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Now I am telling you life insurance companies deciding what will be right for you. If you are like most people, you know what life insurance is, an insurance policy that pays your family money if you die. You also know why it can be so important. It is one way to provide the financial protection you want them to have. But when it's come to buying an actual life insurance policy, you may be little fuzzy, but about the difference between term and permanent life policies, how they work, and content what to look for in a life insurance company. That's okay, the article will explain. A life insurance policy is a contract between a life insurance company and a policyholder. Typically, the policyholder is also the person insured, but you can buy life insurance coverage for another person. It's important to realize that not even insurance company is authorized to write life insurance policies. Stage regulate life insurance companies quite closely to make sure that have the financial wherewithal to pay their money insurance or universal life insurance. Every policy defines the following item: death benefit, the amount that life insurance company will pay when the insured dies. These are the people who will receive the death benefit. It can all go to single person or it can be divided by percentage among many different people and entities. Three children could each get 30% and 10% could get to a charity. Policy length, the amount of time coverage stays in effect and the life insurance company agrees to pay a death benefit. The policy length can be specified term 10 to 20 years or it can be permanent, a policy that lasts for a insured life. Premium, these are monthly or yearly payments needed to keep the policy in effect. Cash value, permanent life policies have a cash value component that builds over time and can be cashed out aboard against. A term policy has on cash value. These are two basic types of life insurance. Term life insurance. A term life insurance policy provides coverage for a specific period of time, typically between 10 to 30 years. It can sometimes called a pure life insurance product because unlike whole life insurance, there are no cash value to the policy. Once the term is over, typically there are nothing left. Permanent life insurance. Permanent life insurance provides coverage that lasts your entire life, unlike term that are not pure life insurance product because they include an added component. The policy's cash value, a portion of your premium dollar, can grow tax deferred over time, which helps us make coverage last indefinitely, which provide other financial benefit. However, the death benefit is immediately payable from the first day you have the policy. There are two main types of permanent insurance: whole life insurance, universal life insurance. Whole life insurance policy are more straightforward. The premium remains the same of life. The death benefit is guaranteed and the cash value grows at a guaranteed rate. Universal life insurance product can be less expensive and offer more flexibility, but the premium, death benefit, and cash value growth rate can vary, making the policy more complicated. The following chart highlights that the difference the three types of policies: team life, whole life, and universal life. You can get life insurance as an individual or a part of a group. Many companies provide life insurance protection for their employees. This form of group policy can be easy and affordable way to get coverage. Often employees will pay for a basic level of protection and provide the option to pay for additional life insurance through a payroll deduction. In most cases, the death benefit is paid to beneficiary income tax free. What are six traits most of life insurance? High financial strength rating, high coastal state source, low coastal complaint, product selection, customization, policyholder, direct underwriting. Thanks you for watching. If you are like, please subscribe my YouTube channel.